Tips, tricks and techniques for better golfing. Golf can be an intimidating sport to take up if you don't know what you're doing, but it isn't impossible to master. There is no denying that there is a certain art to it, but this video discusses that art in the form of tips that you need to know, in order to excel at this very popular game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you always keep an eye on your golf clubs while at the course. This is important because due to the value of many golf clubs, somebody else probably already has their eye on them and might take them at their first chance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you have good flexibility. This is important both to ensure that you do not injure yourself on the course, but also to make sure that your shot is as fluid and powerful as possible. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you do not even attempt to play a round of golf on a course until you are at least competent at hitting the ball. This is important because you will save yourself much frustration and embarrassment by doing so. A helpful tip to golfing is to make sure that you are hitting with a clean club. The face of the club can easily get dirt on it and cause you to have unexpected results. Make sure all of the grooves are completely free of dirt and mud before hitting the ball. A great way to lower your golf score is to spend some practice time on a putting green. If you don't struggle getting to the fairway or the green, it's time to make sure you can putt. Eagles and birdies are the most common shots in golf that improve one's score. If you can putt well, eagles and birdies will come often. When you are below your ball as it is lying on a hill, the ball should be aligned closer to your back foot. This will help to prevent you from hitting the slope before you hit the ball. It will also help you to hit the ball over the slope. Now that you have the know-how to become the next great golf pro, playing your 18 holes will be a brand new experience that you can enjoy with the same old friends. Make sure to tee off soon and show everyone your elevated prowess on the green, by making your next hole-in-one. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn. You'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.